Hey everybody, it's me, Russ Shaw, and I just got hired for another TaskRabbit Automotive gig. On the Civic. So replacing a battery in this vehicle is pretty easy. You have to be careful. Some of the earlier years, the stereo will lock you out, so you want to make sure you check your glove box. There should be a little code when you open your glove box right on the side there, or there should be a code in your owner's manual. If your stereo gets locked out, don't try and guess a bunch of times because you'll lock it up. Don't do that. Just call your dealership or bring your VIN down to the dealership and they'll give you the codes. You just have to show proof that you own the vehicle, you're registered in the vehicle, right? And but this vehicle, this 2015 does not have that problem. At least this one didn't. You just had to hold the power button to reset the auto theft security device. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your hood, of course, and then we're going to remove the J bolts. So these are bolts that are in the shape of a J. They're like little hooks, and they hold the battery in place. They also give it some room to move around if it needs to. And this would be the part where you remove the battery cables. Easy peasy. 10 millimeter, boom. 10 millimeter there and there. When you pick the battery up and out of there, make sure it's level. You don't want to spill any battery acid. As you remove the battery, pull it out, set it down level, pick up the new one, put it in, boom, easy. New interstate battery installed. Yep. Anti-theft system lost power. It's to enable the system. Driver's response for safe operation of the vehicle. Use the system. Oh, hey, it's working. Look at that. All right. Just making sure. And it's connected to your phone. Yep. You're all set, dude. So yeah, easy peasy. Battery in Honda. Honda's happy. So another TaskRabbit Automotive in the bag. Oh, and by the way, if you do have a problem with the anti-theft system, you can there's a video in the description where there's sort of a hack for it, a way to reset it, and you don't have to deal with any finding codes. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!